Hey y'all, so I got a new toy today. That'll be the Black Rain Ordnance AR-15 chambered in 5.56. So y'all know that I used to have the 300 blackout AR-15, but I actually want to switch up and go to a 5.56. Reason being is the 5.56 round is more reliable and more daily round, so I'd rather go with that. So but so far so good, especially for the price point. Already came with the optic, and this thing shoots smooth like butter, plus has a lifetime warranty on it. So real happy with my purchase, and yeah, rocking out with 5.56 for now on.